Alright, here's the two USB converter that I brought from you, and here is my tablet PC, and I try to connect the tablet PC's keyboard via these two converters. Alright, it is connected, and now the keyboard should work, but nothing, it cannot sense the keyboard. And here's the other one. And nothing again. Now I try to connect my pen drive. Here's the USB. And nothing again. And it cannot work with the other as well. Here's a flashlight inside the USB stick, but it is not flashing. It must flash during when it is working. And let's try my card reader. It cannot sense anything via USB port, so it's failed again, and the same with the other two. Nothing. So I think these two converter not working.